Hello, good afternoon. My name is Archana Port, lecturer from Pravara Medical Trust, College of Pharmacy, Shevgaon. Our next topic is anti-tubercular drugs or anti-tubercular agents. We have heard many times the term TB. So what is this TB? So this TB is tuberculosis, and this tuberculosis, it is an infectious disease which is caused by an organism Mycobacterium tuberculosis, and this tuberculosis, it is characterized by formation of nodules. See the image in the right side corner, there is a formation of nodules, and this organism affect or attacks almost all the tissues and lungs. Being the most common target of this organism is lungs. Then what are the anti-tubercular drugs? The drugs which are used in treatment of tuberculosis, they are called as anti-tubercular drugs. Here is the classification of anti-tubercular drugs. Para-amino salicylic acid derivatives, example para-amino salicylic acid. Pyridine derivatives, example isoniazid and ethionamide. Then pyrazine derivatives, example pyrazinamide. Next, ethylene diamine derivative, example ethambutol, and the last one is antibiotics. The examples are cycloserine, streptomycin, rifampicin. So this is the classification of anti-tubercular drugs. So our first drug is isoniazid. Here is the structure in the right side. Chemical name is isonicotinic acid hydrazide, or also we can say that pyridine 4 carboxazide. The properties of this isoniazid are, so this isoniazid, it is a white crystalline powder, it is odorless and it has a sweet taste. The solubility is, it is soluble in water and it is compatible with aldehyde and ketone. Stability of this isoniazid is, it is affected by light and hence it should be stored in tightly closed light resistant container. The uses are, so it is used in treatment of pulmonary tuberculosis, it is used in treatment of meningitis and genitourinary infections. So this meningitis, it is the inflammation of meninges, and the meninges are the three membranes that cover brain and spinal cord, and the meningitis can occur when fluid surrounding the meninges become infected. The preparations are isoniazid tablet, isoniazid elixir, isoniazid and ethambutol tablet, isoniazid and rifampicin tablet, sodium salicylate and isoniazid granules or powder. The brand name are Isonex and Isokin. Next is para-amino salicylic acid, or so we can say that PAS. It is 4-amino 2-hydroxybenzoic acid. The properties of this PAS are, it occurs as a white or yellowish white crystals. It is odorless and it has a slightly acidic taste. The solubility is, it is slightly soluble in water and its sodium salt is very soluble in water. The stability and storage is, it darkens on exposure to air and light and hence it should be stored in tightly closed light resistant container. The uses are, it is used in treatment of leprosy and it is used in treatment of tuberculosis. The official preparations are calcium amino salicylate tablet, sodium amino salicylate tablet and sodium amino salicylate granules. And the brand name is Benzapar, Idipaz and Parazole. The next is streptomycin sulfate. This streptomycin sulfate, it is soluble in water and it is insoluble in chloroform and ether. It is not absorbed well from gastrointestinal tract, and this streptomycin, it is used clinically to treat tuberculosis and in combination with other medication. The streptomycin tablet used orally to treat infection of intestinal tract, and also it is used intramuscularly in all type of tuberculosis. Next is rifampicin or rifampin. The properties are: it occurs as a brick red crystalline powder. It is odorless, very slightly soluble in water. It is soluble in chloroform and it is unstable in the presence of moisture. So, as it is unstable in the presence of moisture, it is affected by light, air and oxygen, and hence it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container in an atmosphere of nitrogen, and the temperature should not be more than 50 degrees Celsius. Uses are: it is used to treat tuberculosis, it is used in treatment of bacillary dysentery and meningitis. The bacillary dysentery, it is a type of dysentery. It is an intestinal infection which is caused by group of Shigella bacteria which is found in human gut. And as I told you, meningitis, it is the inflammation of meninges, and the meninges are three membranes that cover the brain and spinal cord, and the meningitis can occur when fluid surrounding the meninges become infected. The preparation are rifampicin capsule, rifampicin oral suspension, and the brand name are Rimpin, Rimpacin and Arsin. The next is ethambutol. Chemical name is bis 1-hydroxymethylpropyl ethylene diamine. The properties are: it is a white crystalline powder, it is odorless, it has a bitter taste, and this ethambutol, it is hygroscopic in nature. The solubility is: it is soluble in water and alcohol, and it is insoluble in chloroform and ether. The storage is: it should be stored in well closed light resistant container or protected from light. The uses are: it is used in treatment of pulmonary tuberculosis, it is a tuberculostatic agent. The preparation is ethambutol HCl tablet, and the brand names are ETB, mycobutol or combutol. Next drug is thiacetazone. The properties of this thiacetazone are: it occurs as a pale yellow crystals, it is odorless, the solubility is: it is slightly soluble in water, soluble in propylene glycol, and it is usually administered in combination with isoniazid in the form of tablets in pulmonary tuberculosis. The combination of tablets are official in IP and are given in thiacetazone 150 mg and isoniazid 300 mg daily in divided doses. It is used in treatment of tuberculosis and in treatment of leprosy. The next is ethionamide. This ethionamide, the chemical name of this ethionamide is 2-ethyl-pyridine 4-carbathioamide. The properties are: it is a bright yellow powder, it has a faint characteristic odor, and the solubility is: it is slightly soluble in water and chloroform and more soluble in methanol. The drug is active orally and given in the form of tablet in 250 mg 2 or 4 times in resistant type of pulmonary tuberculosis. The storage is: it is stored in closed container protected from light. Next is cycloserine. The properties of cycloserine are: it occurs as a white or yellow crystalline powder, it is odorless. This cycloserine has a slightly bitter taste, it is hygroscopic, and it is soluble in water, and this cycloserine, it is a dextrorotatory. The storage and stability is: it is hygroscopic and affected by light, hence it is stored in tightly closed container at a temperature not exceeding 25 degrees Celsius. The uses are: it is used in treatment of pulmonary tuberculosis. It is active against gram-negative and gram-positive bacteria. It is used in treatment of urinary tract infection. The preparations are cycloserine tablet and cycloserine capsules. And the brand name is Cyclorin. Next is pyrazinamide. Chemical name pyrazine 2-carboxamide or 2-carbamyl pyrazine. Properties of this pyrazinamide are: it occurs as a white crystalline powder, it is odorless, it has a slightly bitter taste, it is sparingly soluble in water but soluble in ether and chloroform. The stability and storage is: it is stored in tightly closed light resistant container. The uses are: it is used as a tuberculostatic preparation, pyrazinamide tablet IPBP, and the brand names are Zinamide, Pyrina, PZA, Ciba. So thank you so much.